Alright, so making some feet for the Stegosaurus now. I've duplicated 5 or 6 spheres in a row. I'm making the nail for the foot like this, using one of my 5 horses on a cone. Now I'm joining the toenail to the toe. I'll group it. Okay, so Stegosaurus had 5 digits on the front foot and 3 on the back, so shouldn't be much of a problem. Now on this, we're going to shorten it a little bit and rotate it so we get the gradated toes. Okay, so that's 4 that way, and then 1 more this way. Okay, and then since Stegosaurus had sort of a pad behind their front digits, we'll do this. Let's get our color fairly right, and away we go. And do the wave dupe it down. Let's move that over, and let's grow it in on the duplication. Boom, there. Get rid of that one and group it up. There we go. That'll work. Now let's make a duplication of this section. Get some free toes out so that we can make the back foot too. Oops. Wise guy, huh? Okay, there it is. Next video I'll show it attached to the body of the Stegosaurus.